Here's a nice parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted, and there's quite a few pieces of pinks and reds amongst this material. Hopefully it'll become more evident when we zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. I think I already said the rules in millimetres, so some of the pieces are up to 20 mils, 25 mil maybe, but the majority are a bit smaller than that. There's quite a bit of this material ready. Fair bit of this material. Of course, doesn't want to come and show you. Multicoloured, and of course, plenty of greens. Some of it's a bit thin. One of the larger pieces, multicolour there on the top. Some you probably have to make doublets out of it or sell it on. Nice golden piece. I say there's a fair bit of this with red in it. A lot of stones for someone to cut. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.